In this video we are going to learn how to open a .PBIX extension file with Power BI. If you've ever downloaded a file and wondered, how do I open this PBIX thing? You're in the right place. Alright, let's jump in.
See example file PBIX with the extension. So let's see how can we open it. So double click it, right click it. So you can say open Microsoft Power BI. So this way you can open your Power BI PBIX file in a simple way. So now you can see. Now the second way, so we are on Power BI desktop. So let's open the PBIX file with the second way. So you can click on open, and then from here you can see browse this device, recent and OneDrive. So you can also browse this file and the location. So we have this Power BI PBIX extension open. Thank you for watching.